Hi everybody, welcome to my video. It's Rebecca Jarman here. I wanted to show you quickly the reference images that I will be using during my beginners watercolour courses this month. I thought it'd be really nice for you guys to see what you would be painting with me. So in week one we have this leaf painting. So we're going to be focusing on creating interesting marks with a paintbrush and also some subtle washes in the background, using lots of natural browns and oranges and things. So that's quite autumnal in theme, which is lovely. Another kind of wintry theme, but this time an animal subject. We have our squirrel here. So we're looking at using a little bit of salt technique in the background to create the effect of snowflakes, which is quite pretty. Obviously we're going to be focusing on trying to emulate the hair of that squirrel as well, so that's a really nice one to go for. Week three, something totally different. This is actually a really pretty old doorway, and we've got lots of texture in the stone that we're going to be trying to paint, block work in the foreground, and then this lovely variation of colour in the painted door. So that's going to be interesting to create that aged look. And finally in week four we have seagulls. I'm actually going to eliminate this one right at the bottom here just to give us 3 seagulls, so I think that's enough to paint in 2 hours, and we're going to be creating this splash wave effect in the foreground, which will be interesting to do. So if you haven't joined me for a class or a course before, my classes are all suitable for complete beginners. You don't need any experience whatsoever. I'll take you through step by step how to create every single painting that we do, from start to finish. Usually we get to finish the paintings within the 2 hours. If not, then I give you lots of tips and advice for you to continue at home, and then in the following lesson we just go over, we review what we did previously, and I can give you some more advice and tips if you need it then as well. I have 2 courses available. So one is a morning course and one is an evening course. The evening course is 4 weeks because of the dates and how it's landing. That's in Granville Academy in Swadlincote, and that starts next Monday evening from 7 till 9 p.m. And the second course, a new course, is a daytime course, which is at Books and Banter in Burton-on-Trent, and the timings for that is a 9:30 start, and we go on and we finish at 11:30. That's actually a 3-week course just because of how the dates are landing there. So we'll do the first 3 paintings, and if people are interested in the seagull one, we can continue that in the following course in February. If you'd like some more information on my courses, you can visit my website. It's rebeccajarman.com. All the information you're going to need is there. Please book in advance, you can't just turn up. So you book via my website or via the links that I'll show you in the video below. And you book your place, and once you've booked you'll receive an information pack telling you a little bit about the course with all the relevant details of the venue, how to get there, what materials you'll need to complete the course as well. So these are recommended materials that I will be using to teach you, and to make things easier it is good if you have the majority of what's on that list. We can actually use alternative colours, and I can advise you of that if you need to. If you have any questions about materials, or if you're a complete beginner and have nothing at all, then get in touch and I can advise you on where best to find those materials at a good price, because obviously as a complete beginner you don't want to be forking out an absolute fortune when you're just starting out. And hopefully this video has given you all the information you need, so click the link below and check out my website, and hopefully I'll be teaching you in January this month. I can't believe it's January already. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care, and I hope to be teaching you soon.